Guys, it's me, Moondrop, and remember the eclipse saying 4th of July? Happy 4th of July. Today we're gonna light some fireworks. So first, the dog will move. We have a sword. We have swords, sparklers, the shooting thing with those. We have this big giant blue thing. We got an ice cream. We got a velociraptor. We got some Saturn thing. More ice cream. This and this. And then we got more stuff that we just got. So I just want to make sure to like and subscribe. And happy 4th of July. So let's get started. Which one are we gonna do first? Should we start small and then go big?
Okay.
Are you talking about us or that video?
The video and you guys. So let's do this velociraptor thing then first. So I want to see how that works out. So do I set it out here, Dad? Okay, so we're gonna set this one right here. I hope you guys enjoy the show. Sorry this is a long intro. Just in case you guys can skip to where we start the fireworks, but we're gonna start them right now. So I'm gonna go in zoom in mode so you guys can actually watch. There's my daddy's lighting the fireworks right now. He's unwrapping the thing, and I'm gonna be super excited. Oh, fireworks are happening! Oh, there it is. There, I'll move out of the way for you guys. Whoa! That's it. That was it. How about next we do the big ice cream?
Let's do the ice cream.
Yeah, the big one. Yeah.
We'll just put him in the house.
Or just keep him like that. Your baby boy. Your camera. Which one are we doing next? The big ice cream?
Yeah.
Big ice cream? Okay. My bad. There we go. Difficulties. Oh, I think we're doing this one.
Can you show off the porch light?
We're gonna shut off this porch light. I'm gonna look over here so you guys cannot get into my house, even if you find me. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, there you go. You guys can still see because we have this big light.
This one's supposed to be pretty incredible.
Whoa! That was it? You might want to turn this video down to like almost its views. Whoa, what's still going on? Whoa. Whoa. Oh my goodness. That one went insane. Which one are we doing next? How about we do...
You want any big ones?
How about we do... let's try this Wahoo thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, the big one. Let's try this Wahoo thing. Or we can do one of those. Hope I got a few pictures with that so I can intro. Or title.
You got one picked out?
Me? No. I picked out one. Okay, guys, this one's a big make sure to look into like the sky. Kids, don't mess with fireworks at home by yourself. Whoa! Oh wow. Okay, my roof is like in the way. Holy crap! Let's do the. I want to do the woohoo.
Which one?
The woohoo.
What's that? This
The-
one?
Yeah, that one.
Let me see your light. I need to find the wick. Right here.
Okay. It's a bee. I must step on it. Okay, guys, we're gonna do woohoo is what this firework is called. So I'll get out of the way for. Run away. Is that it? Whoa. Wow. That was one of it just landed on the. Well, that was impressive.
Landed on that.
Rude. Let's do that rocket that you just got.
This one?
Yeah. Okay. The rocket's right there where he's from. Basically, it's behind him.
Gone.
Bye bye. That was it. That was it. That was a little not good, but let's do. What about this? What's this all about?
Which one?
Sword.
I don't know. You gotta hold this one.
Yeah, I'm not holding it.
Okay, you're supposed to.
I'm already holding. No, I mean I'm not holding it because I have a camera and I don't want. Okay. Whoa, smoke. This one like shoot. Wow.
Hey, come hold it and I'll video you.
We screamed over there. Okay. Dad, I'll just bring one to you.
What?
I'll bring one to you.
Let's do that skull.
The skull. Oh wow. It's a skull. Okay. Oh, I almost dropped it. Almost dropped it. Let's see what this one's all about. Again, you can skip to where the firework part comes in. 'Cause we did not have all these like prepared. We didn't want to go na 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 na. While you're waiting, you should like and subscribe and turn on the notifications so you never miss another video. What is happening over here? Oh my god. Do you guys get it?
Yeah.
Ooh. This one's gonna be wicked. Get it? Also, if you guys have an Oculus and you guys want it from me, that is cool. It's wicked.sonic. No capitals. The I is a 1. Wicked.sonic. If you want to friend me on Oculus. That was short but terrifying. It's not done yet. Oh, nope, it ain't done. Is it now done? No. But how many of this does it have? Oh, whoa. Should have been. Holy crap! That was. Oh, we're still not. Oh wow! Oh wow! It's flashing. Seizure hazard. Seizure hazard. This might cause seizures for people out there. Is it done? Seizure hazards. Is it just flashing or is it gonna shoot something? Okay, there we go.
Look at it glow. Oh, that is so
That's cool. See, it's glowing out there. Okay, that's cool. Which other one should we do? What do you have? What do you have?
I don't know.
Did it look like it had wings?
Yeah.
Okay, so ah! Ah! Oh, whoa. That was cool. At least I got that on video.
Ricocheted off our house.
Yeah.
It hit our house.
That was crazy. Wait, isn't this one, these two? Wouldn't these two do the same exact thing?
Yeah, these are
Let's
big
do
dogs.
that. That one was cool.
I can't read.
I'm happy I'm recording this. We're recording this. Yeah, I don't know if this one's as good, but that one's plastic and the one we
Watch
just...
yourselves.
Ah, scary, scary.
Oh, please don't hit. Please hit. Thank God. Thank God.
Okay, wait, I want to go grab that.
Hey, it's hot.
I'll grab it after. What about this one?
Which one?
Fine, this one.
This one was? Okay.
Sorry you're not getting a good look at the fireworks, but the fire is working. You get to see the actual fire part, not the design of the thing. Oh, run, 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 run. I bet that was going to start flying. Oh. Oh, whoa. You might... Oh, whoa, whoa. What if I do this? Okay, whatever. Wow, okay, I kind of wish that one flew like the other ones did. Which one do you have? Show me which one. Oh, it's another one that goes into that big can. Okay, this one's gonna go in the air, so. Wow. Oh, almost tripped. I fell. And I fell. Which one?
Purple one.
Yeah. Can you do me a favor? Can you start opening this one?
What's it like?
Huh?
What's it say? This end up.
Okay, at least got a good look at it. Last one of that, sadly. Those are some of the best ones probably here. Or at least the ones that like shoot into the air. Okay. Wow, that was insane. Let's do
Let's do this one. And then we'll do this grand finale.
Here's
grand
a
for
couple.
the, yeah, we have a couple. And we still have
Hey,
this.
show me where the
What about this tiny one?
where's the fuse at on the sky
You
bacon?
gotta, I think you gotta open
This one's called sky bacon.
it. Yeah, something just went off there.
Okay.
Got a little pop gun. Okay, this one. Okay. Go, go, go. tiny one do?
Pull the trigger.
Right here. That
Point out there and pull the trigger.
baby. So
I can't.
Pull hard.
I gotta open it, I think. Don't you open this?
All you gotta do is pull it hard.
Yeah.
Don't look at it. Pull the trigger. Point it up, pull. Put your phone down and do it with 2 hands. There you go.
Oh. It's kind of dumb.
Little streamers.
I
What do we
can't
got?
really read this.
I was recording.
To order something?
Well, I think I have it. I think I have it.
Are
in
you
there.
on Domino's?
Yeah.
We're gonna get some Domino's? Huh? I think this is like the one that says shoots 25 times. That one was loud. No, we still have more. Look, we have this tank thing. We have these. We have these.
Want to do this car?
Sure, let's do a car. Oh, I bet it's gonna like blast. Oh, and we still have a sword. We still have a sword. But
The wheel fell off over in the back.
okay, that would have been cool if it actually like kept driving.
The snow cone, you hold it.
Oh, didn't Mom want to do that
Yeah,
one?
this is mine.
What about? Should we try this one then?
You
Biker.
gotta come hold your snow cone.
Yeah, Mother.
Hang on. Dude, you told me to do this, so I've missed half of it.
Yeah, so put it down.
Trying to do this.
I've got it on video.
Because by the time you're done, you're gonna be like, "Hey,
And I'll order it. Come do your thing.
no, I'm
You
already
can't even
in the
read it.
payment section now."
What did you get? Did you give me something? What's that? That was okay. We don't need to do any more of those because those were bad. We can wipe those after the rest of those after because I'm not like doing duplicates. Okay, we're gonna watch this car go. Drive towards me. Oh. I feel like, can you kill somebody with that? Dad? Can you kill somebody with a firework? What's that?
Nothing fun. These are the ones I gotta give it.
What if you light all of them at the same time? Dad, what if you light this one, throw it, this one, throw it, and then this one, throw it? Why don't you do them all? Oh, these ones are multiple. That one was like having a stroke. Jeez. Let's see what this one does. That one went like Sonic speed.
Okay. How do I do this? Order's been
Well,
placed.
Just hold it.
Whoa. Okay.
Just
I
hold
think-
it. I got it.
So what's after this?
Yeah.
Oh, snow cone. Snow cone. Oh, smoke. I cannot see. Oh wow. Okay, that's cool. That's sick. How many times did you just get burned from that? Oh, it looks like it's falling onto your hair. Okay, don't do some stupid stuff with that, like burn somebody. How do they make these? How do they do that? How do they do that?
That looks like the Statue of Liberty.
Oh, you do.
Doug. Okay.
So are these now? These things?
You ready for this one?
Yeah, and then I'll end the video because these are duplicates of what we just saw. Duplicates. It probably is, and I kind of do not know. Oh, they were right. They were right there when I said that. They were right there when I said that.
No promises.
I'm moving up. I probably shouldn't be sitting down. Now
So cool.
I kind of don't think it's done.
I don't know if it's done or not.
It's just.
Every one of them. Sorry.
Is that it?
That was it. We
Well,
got one sword left.
well, thanks for watching the video. Happy 4th of July. Make sure to subscribe. And yeah, happy 4th of July. Hope you like the fireworks.